everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a very exciting launch from Bobbi Brown, and it's the Summer Glow collection, and this is a limited edition collection that has just been recently released in Australia. I have most of the products here to kind of show you, and I'm actually going to try them on as well. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I've already applied a little bit of foundation and concealer, so now I'm just going to powder my skin a little bit, as I applied this foundation about an hour or more ago. And so I'm just going to apply a little bit of this powder. This is not part of the collection, but it's a really nice kind of powder, really great for brightening your skin. So I think I'll start off with my eyes first. I'm going to use two products, and in this collection there is the Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks. And I know that there are two colors. There's a pinky one and a bronze, and I'm not sure if it's the same one. This is golden bronze, so I'm actually going to use this a little bit as well, but I don't think that this is the original one from this collection. I'm going to start off with this Longwear stick, and this is a beautiful bronzy shade that will suit everybody, and it's really long lasting. The first step I need to do is just to put my hair back. It's really humid today in Sydney. I think it's like 80% humidity. So I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid, kind of creating I guess a winged liner. I'm also filming this in natural light, just so you can see exactly what the products look like. And the best thing about these eyeshadow sticks is you don't need to be too precise, and you definitely don't need to be professional to use them. So I really like the way these have this like soft glimmer to them. So I kind of just started off like that, and that's just like a little wing. And I'm going to apply a small amount to my bottom half of my under eye, about 3/4 of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this highlighter palette, and this is the Warm Glow palette, part of the collection. And look how beautiful this palette is. This is my perfect kind of highlighting slash bronzing palette, and it has two shades. So there is more of a golden shade here, and then there's also a nice medium kind of bronze shade. I'm going to use this on my eyelids today, just to have a nice wash of bronze on my eyes. So you can kind of pick if you want the golden or the medium shade. I think I'm going to go in with a bit more bronzy. Bit more of the bronze shade. I love that this palette is very versatile. You can use it on your eyes, your cheeks as a highlight. And I think that's it. I'm going to just smudge in that shadow stick a little bit now. Just to make it a little bit more softer. I probably should have done that before, but that's okay. And now with this more golden color here, I'm just going to use my finger and then just press that on top of the middle of my eyelid. And I'm also going to get a little bit of this shade here again and put it in my inner corner. Just to highlight my inner corners a little bit. So as you can see, it's pretty natural and pretty soft, and I love that for every day to create that diffused bronzy eye look. Okay, now onto the mascara. I'm using the Smoky Eye Mascara, which is actually from their Christmas collection. So this is a brand new mascara. I always kind of do that with mascaras to make it a little bit more natural. I always take off the excess. I always do the bottom lashes last just so that there isn't a lot of product on the wand. And I apply just a small amount. Then I use my pinky finger and kind of just rub that against the eyelashes. So as you can see, it takes off a little bit of excess of the mascara, which gives you a more natural kind of fluttery look. Okay, so I have 2 coats of mascara on, and I think that's it because I wanted to keep it quite natural. So now I'm going to go in, I don't know what that hair's doing, but now I'm going to go in with the Bronzing Duo Powder in Golden Light and Antigua. And this is an illuminating bronzing powder, and I love this little set because it's like everything you need to create that really nice bronzy glow on your skin. You have a matte powder here, which is really great. Because I feel like matte powders are really forgiving, and you can always add like highlighter to the cheekbones and to your cheeks. So I like a matte powder because especially in the daytime, it won't highlight any pores or any imperfections on your skin, and you can really apply it everywhere just to give you that really nice bronzy glow. So I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown brush that was also in the set, and this is the Precise Blending Brush. It's a really great brush for highlighting, applying blush. Since I've started using this brush, I'm pretty much using it for bronzer, highlighter, blush, and everything. It's very versatile. So let's apply a little bit of this powder here. And as you can see, it's very kind of pigmented. A lot comes off. So you only need a small amount. I always tap off the excess and then I can build it up if I want to. I love that the powders also come with a mirror as well. So great for on the go. So I'm not going to really contour, I'm just going to bronze up my skin. Small amounts across the bridge of my nose. And because this powder is matte, you can just really apply it anywhere. I apply it all over my chest as well, and that really kind of drags the color down and makes sure that everything is one color or kind of matches your face. One trick I love to do is get a little bit of bronzer and apply that same bronzer to my eye crease, and that really helps to warm up your eyes. And if you want more of a matte look, you can just apply this bronzer all over your eyelid and it looks so beautiful. It really makes your eyes pop. So next up, I'm going to use this beautiful shade here, which is kind of like a pinky bronzy shade. This as well looks matte in the pan, but it does give your skin this nice luminosity, very natural, which I love. So I'm going to apply with the same brush, just going to apply this kind of high up on my cheeks. I never like to apply blush low because that drags your face down. This brush really helps to kind of give you that really nice angle on your cheeks. So kind of just keeping it quite high up. Because this is an illuminating bronzing powder as well, I'm going to apply a little bit of that to my nose, and I'm only applying a small amount, so you might not even see it on camera, but that's going to help with my bronzy makeup look and kind of look like the sun has kissed me naturally, which I love. Next up, I'm going back to the highlighting powder in Warm Glow. So I'm going to apply some of this highlight shade, which is the lighter shade. So I'm kind of just applying a little bit everywhere just to pick up some different colors. And then I always tap off the excess on my hand just in case it's too much. Using the same brush, and I'm going to kind of lightly dust this over my face. And you can really just use a large brush and kind of apply this like in a 3 and a little bit over your nose, and it's really going to give you that beautiful bronzy glow. This is quite pigmented, that's why I'm using a very soft hand. And now I'm going to go back in with this golden shade. I feel like an artist, just playing with paints here. So I'm going to go back here. And I love that these powders are so natural, kind of gives you that lit within glow, lit from within glow. And super pretty. Just apply a little bit everywhere. I love to apply a little bit of this powder just all over, just to make sure everything is the same. And I feel like I'm definitely looking bronzed up. And I'm really using a light hand on all of these products. That's how pigmented they are. Okay, so I have 2 lip shades to show you. And these are the crushed oil infused glosses. And you may have already noticed that these glosses have been around for a while, and this is the original kind of packaging of the crushed oil infused glosses, and this is actually the shade Free Spirit, which I love as well. So this is the new collection's shades, and I have the shade Pink Sunset, which is a beautiful pinky shade. It's nice and light. I have like a light to medium light pink shade that is going to really complement a tan. So perfect if you like a lighter gloss. And then the second one I have is Sunkissed. And I think this one is my favorite. And this is kind of more of a brownie pink shade. So perfect if you prefer a little bit of a deeper gloss shade, although they are both really sheer and really beautiful on the lips. These are also very hydrating. Feel like lip oil on your lips. That's very comforting on your lips. It's very hydrating, and it also has plumping effects as well. So yeah, and then I'm going to just line my lips with a bit of this lip liner. Let me know if you've had this happen to you, but I just bought the Cocoa lip liner, and I bought another gloss, and I opened up my handbag. It was Christmas, all fell on the ground in the gutter, and there was like water, and I couldn't save the lip liner or the gloss, so I had to repurchase another one because this is one of my favorite lip liners. It's a really nice kind of brown shade. Anyway, so this is a brand new one, and this is a perfect shade if you like more of a darker nude, and this goes with so many different shades. I'm just going to slightly line my lips, just following the natural shape. This lipstick, this lip pencil is actually not from the Summer Glow collection, but I feel like it's a perfect match because it has that bronziness to it. And then I just take my finger and I kind of blend the pencil in because I don't like harsh lines. So it looks really natural. Okay, now what color to choose? That's the question. So I think I'm going to go for the Sunkissed look. And this is the darker shade. Feels so comfortable. Gives you this really beautiful shine, and perfect for anybody that doesn't like a lot of shimmer on their lip products. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. Should I put a little bit of the other shade as well? That's the question. I might as well put a little bit just so I can show you. I'm going to apply a little bit of this on the center. So this is the finished look. I think that you have everything in this collection to give you a really beautiful sun-kissed summer glow. These are the type of products that I like to go to every day, especially in the summertime. It's still light, it's still natural. I think it makes your eyes stand out. But it doesn't look like you're wearing a lot of makeup, and I think that's the whole point of summer makeup. You don't want to look like you're wearing a heavy full face of makeup during the day in the sun, because you might be going to the beach, you might be going for lunch with friends and family, and you still want to have that bronze glow, but you want to look natural at the same time. So I think this is the perfect makeup for that. I hope that you enjoyed this look. Let me know down below if you've tried anything from this collection, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel and you haven't already. That'll be amazing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.